Oh, good trick. Do it again. Do it again. Yay! Yay! Good job, sister.
I'm gonna do that again. That's fun.
Yay!
What's the big idea?
Are you clapping?
It's supposed to hold on to
Clap
your
and say yay, Tyson,
I'm not telling
yay!
you not to.
Okay, wait until I say go.
She say yay!
Not your whole
Say
body.
yay! He clap.
Yeah.
Don't throw your butt at me.
What are they doing?
Let's see who's louder and left.
No.
Yeah.
No.
He say bye bye, Daddy.
Not that I'm louder.
Bye bye, Daddy.
Take a cut.
Bye bye, Daddy.
No, Dad.
Bye bye, Daddy.